So we have a very weird bend right there, maybe too far, but if I'm working with just the dials, I don't see that. I won't really see the extent of that deformation until I go to the graph window, and then I can just pull the keyframe back down to where I need it to be, or I can select the keyframe by dragging across here and changing the type of interpolation that happens between keyframes. The default interpolation is spline, but the linear selection is useful as well. We also have a constant selection which eliminates any interpolation at all, and then we have the break spline, which can be useful in just smoothing out some of the animation. So right now we have linear selection selected, and it helps us to just very cleanly and very accurately change our interpolation.